रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् हे वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् 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 वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् हे वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् 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 वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् हे वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् 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 वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् हे वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् वासुदेव 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 रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् वासुदेव रक्ष माम् जगन्नाथ पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु पाहि माम् जगन्नाथ रक्ष माम् महाबाहु
लिंगनसुको जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे नवेयाचे राजन्य सकल कमानि विभवं नयाचे हम राम्यं सकल जगगाम्यं वरपदं सदा काले काले प्रमथपतिना गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे अराजं संसारं द्रुततरं सारं सुरपते
Jai Jagannath everyone. Welcome to the Jagannath Hindu Temple of Rosenberg. So today we are here in Rosenberg, Texas, and we are here to celebrate Rath Yatra at the JHTR, the Jagannath Hindu Temple in Rosenberg. So we are a new temple, we've had Rath Yatras for the past couple of years, and every year it's getting grander by the mercy of Lord Jagannath. Just to give you a quick background, the Rath Yatra is a procession where Lord Jagannath goes with his brothers and sister Lord Balabhadra and Devi Subhadra Ma to visit his Mausi Ma Mandir, and there are a lot of other events that are preceded by the Rath Yatra. One of them was Snana Purnima, which we did celebrate 2 weeks back, where it is Lord Jagannath's birthday, and then he takes a bath with 108 kalashas of water, and then he falls sick and he has fever. So then he goes into like Anasara Ghara, where he's taken care of for those 2 weeks and nobody can take his darshan. So after 2 weeks, when he's all better, he's all excited and he wants to go out to his Mausi Ma Ghara, and that's why he comes in this Ratha procession to go to visit her, but also with that he's giving darshan to so many other devotees and he's coming up close and personal with all of them. So we are very excited to celebrate Rath Yatra here in Houston, and thank you so much.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
Thank you.
Thank you.
सप्तस्तासुत्रतः बद्धो वृषभोररो वीति महोदेवो वर्त्यान् आभिवेश सप्त वेशारूढजटाबद्धो
गम्भीरं महाविष्णुं ज्वलन्तं सर्वतोमुखं नरसिंहं भीषणं भद्रं मृत्योर्मृत्युं नमाम्यहं स्वाहा.
Going together, separate. जय श्री जगन्नाथ।
जय श्री जगन्नाथ. Namaste. My name is Kalyan Rath, and I am a volunteer here at the Universal Shraddha Foundation and Jagannath Hindu Temple of Rosenberg. These two organizations are sister organizations. The first organization was founded in 2018, but we moved to this land here in Rosenberg in 2021 in the middle of the COVID. Since then we have been working here, and more and more volunteers are joining. The 5 different goals we have in the Universal Shraddha Foundation. One is the spirituality, to promote spirituality. Second one is the education, culture, yoga, and service. So these are the things we wanted to base our organization. That's why we gave the name Universal Shraddha Foundation. Later on, as a part of our spirituality, we started the temple after we got this place in 2021. Lord Jagannath is the primary deity of the temple. Then we have all other Hindu deities like Bhagavan Sri Ram, Sri Krishna, Ganesh ji, Mahadev ji, and Goddess Lakshmi ji, Saraswati ji, and Goddess Durga ji. Since then, we have a full-time priest here who takes care of the temple services. We meet every Sunday, and Sunday we have a Gita circle, Gita study circle, where the kids and adults all together we have interactive discussion. Then we have a Aarti, and followed by Prasad. It goes from 11:30 to 2 p.m. every Sunday. Then we do many other activities like holistic living. We have a big community garden. All the volunteers join here on Saturdays, and we do many programs and grow a lot of different seasonal vegetables to give away free in the community. Same thing, we have a yoga class every Saturday morning. We do that from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and after that the volunteers join for the seva in the temple campus 9 to 11 a.m. We have in educational areas, we have we have different Indian language classes, Hindi, Bengali, Odia, all run by the volunteers. We have an art class which also goes on with a lot of kids, not only from the Houston area, from outside of the Houston, Texas, and many other states. They join because it's an online class. We also do what we call a spirituality session every Sunday to teach kids about the moral and ethical values and how to connect it with our culture and root with Vedic values from childhood. So over time, we have a lot of volunteers have joined. It's growing very well, and we have added a small outdoor pavilion which is covered now to do our cultural programs along with the garden, and slowly expanding to many areas to promote the Vedic values. So Jagannath Hindu Temple was registered in 2 years ago, and as a religious organization, place of worship to promote Hinduism and to give a place of worship to the people living in the community here. And we need help from the volunteers. It's driven by volunteers. So as more and more volunteers joining, so the things will get better. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
जय जगन्नाथ। Thank you.
जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो
We're going to be starting with our Odissi dance offering now. Dance has always been one of the highest forms of devotion. We now present an Odissi dance offering by the students of Srimati Supradipta Datta, one of India's oldest classical dance traditions originating from Odisha, the sacred land of Lord Jagannath. And today's performers are Anandita Paul and Oishi Dev. So, can we have a big round of applause for both our performers? Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce Sri Mahaprasad Kaur, one of Odisha's most celebrated vocalists and a distinguished exponent of Odissi and Hindustani classical music. The son and disciple of Padma Shri Pandit Guru Prabandha Kaur and trained under the legendary Pandit Guru J.D.S. Rao, Mahaprasad Kaur is the top three artist of all India Radio and Doordarshan and a great artist empaneled by the Department of Culture, Government of Odisha. He is also the youngest recipient of the Senior Fellowship from the Ministry of Culture, Government of India for his contribution to Odissi music. A versatile performer, he has enthralled audiences across India and internationally in the United States, United Kingdom, Brazil, Singapore, and the Middle East. His rich repertoire spans Odissi classical music, Hindustani classical, Gita Govindam, bhajans, ghazals, devotional and semi-classical music, and he has collaborated with renowned artists including Hariharan, Anup Chandra, Suresh Wadkar, Kavita Krishnamurti, Chitra, and Vani Jaya.
गणपति गणेशा जगन्नाथ स्वामी
संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। हो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ मिला चलवा दे, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। लक्ष्मण एक तरफ सीता, बीच में जगत के पालनहारी।
आवाज दूर दूर तक जानी चाहिए।
शीश झुकाओ, राम गुण गाओ, बोलो जय विष्णु के अवतारी। राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है न्यारी। एक तरफ लक्ष्मण एक तरफ सीता, बीच में जगत के पालनहारी। राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है न्यारी न्यारी। धीरे चला रथ ओ रथ वाले, तोहे कबर का ओ भोले वाले। इस बार देखे जिना भरेगा, 100 बार देखो फिर जी करेगा। व्याकुल पड़े हैं कब से खड़े हैं, दर्शन के प्यासे सब नर नारी। राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है न्यारी न्यारी।
NS
14 बरस का वनवास पाया, माता पिता का वचन निभाया।
जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ
जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। हो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयना नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। हे तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। जगन्नाथ चकानयना जगन्नाथ चकानयना संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू ना संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। जगन्नाथ चकानयन, जगन्नाथ चकानयन। किसके दुबारे, तुम्हें छोड़ जाऊं अब मैं किसके दुबारे, तुम्हें छोड़ जाऊं अब मैं किसके दुबारे, तुम्हें छोड़ जाऊं अब मैं किसके दुबारे। हे जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे नैनों के तारे, जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे आंखों के तारे, जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे आंखों के तारे, जगन्नाथ स्वामी मेरे आंखों के तारे। ओहो तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। ओ तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन, चकानयन जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन, चकानयन। नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। हो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन, नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले, हे तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले। जगन्नाथ चकानयन, जगन्नाथ चकानयन।
Will be east facing, so we will make a completely 180-degree turn. So please, all the devotees, drop the rope. Let the volunteers take care of it. Once we move the chariot to east facing, Lord Jagannath will be east facing. Immediately after that, we will start the Maharati, and the prasad will be also served at the same time. So please do not leave without taking the Mahaprasad. So let the volunteers take care of it as soon as possible. Then we will start the Maharati. Jai Jagannath.
Rama Shambhu Brahma Spurada पार वार सजल जलदर्शे निरुचिरो रमावाणी रामा स्फुरदमलपङ्के रुहमुख सुरेन्द्रेराराध्या श्रुतिगणसिका गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे गगारूढो गच्छन् पतिमिलितभूदेव पतले सुधीप्रादुर्भावं प्रतिपदमुपकर्ण्य सदया दया सिन्धुर्बन्धु सकल जगतं सिन्धुसुतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे पराब्रह्म पीडा कुवलयदलोत्फुल्लनयनो निवासी नीलाद्रु निहित चरणो नन्द शिरसि रसानन्दो राधा सरसवपुरा लिङ्गन सुखो
Jai Jagannath. If you are sponsoring any Archana, please come to the left side of the chariot. The priest will take the information from that side. And after this kids chanting of Jagannath Ashtakam, we will have Maharati. We are getting ready. Puja Thali are available at the reception counter. And all the representatives of different religious Prasad counters are open now. Please do not leave without having prasad. Please, the prasad is being distributed towards the right side. If you go
स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे विध मिलूं दयामय तुमको मैं कुमति ओम जय जगदीश हरे दीन बंधु दुख हरता ठाकुर तुम मेरे स्वामी रक्षक तुम मेरे अपने हाथ उठाओ अपनी शरण लगाओ द्वार पड़ा तेरे ओम जय जगदीश हरे विषय विकार मिटाओ पाप हरो देवा स्वामी पाप हरो देवा श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ
जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले तू न संभाले तो हमें कौन संभाले हो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ चकानयन नीलाचल वाले तू न संभाले तो